Today, we're diving into the Doordarshan MAG524W3, a 4K capable Linux set-top box with HEVC support. In the box, you'll find essentials like an HDMI cable and a remote, setting the stage for a promising entertainment experience. The device boasts seamless connectivity through HDMI, ensuring a crisp and immersive viewing experience. One standout feature is the inclusion of a sleep timer, providing users with the flexibility to manage power consumption. The MAG524W3 not only supports 4K resolution but also brings HEVC support to the table, enhancing video compression for a smoother streaming experience. What caught our attention is the integrated browser, opening up possibilities beyond traditional broadcasting. The ability to access online content adds versatility to this set-top box. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or exploring the vast internet landscape, the MAG524W3 proves to be more than just a TV accessory. Join us as we explore the user interface, test out its 4K capabilities, and delve into the web browsing experience. Is the MAG524W3 a game-changer in the world of set-top boxes? Let's find out in this in-depth review. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.